The President's Citation Award is the highest award given to a graduating senior at SUNY Brockport. The recipient must demonstrate outstanding merit, a strong record of co-curricular activities, significant contributions to the college and community, and professional promise. Each of the winners of the highest award for their respective school was shortlisted for this award, and I had the privilege of interviewing each of them virtually, asking them the same list of questions. Among the questions I asked were, what are you most proud of? How do you balance your academic career and your extracurricular activity? Perhaps the hardest one for them to answer was, what do you want your legacy to be? Their answers were thoughtful and profound, speaking of the students' desire to be part of their community, to give back. Over and over, I heard about their focus on being kind, thoughtful, and involved. While they were proud of their accomplishments, and rightly so, they were equally invested in being good citizens. They are engaged. They offer their wisdom and their time, their patience and their professionalism to other students and to us. The candidates for the Presidential Citation Award are exemplars of our mission to be an inclusive learning community that inspires excellence through growth, engagement, and transformation. The candidates inspire us with their excellence. Each made me proud to be their president. Each is worthy and wonderful, and I congratulate all three of the finalists on their achievements thus far, which you can read about on the Honors and Awards website. Each of the students is deserving of our college's highest honor, making this perhaps the hardest but most rewarding choice I make as president. Let me tell you a little bit about the student who will be given this award. According to one of their nominators, this student knows what they want to do professionally and knows how to take the appropriate steps to get there on their own initiative. The same nominator went on to write that this student is a delight for any professor to have. They sit up front, pay attention, and often engage their instructor in relevant dialogue after class. Another nominator wrote, "This student is one who's going places, and I will be proud to say I knew them when." This student wrote that they have never taken their time at Brockport for granted. At the core of it, they said, their biggest accomplishment was being a voice for the voiceless. This student noted that as a child, they were nicknamed the mayor for their ability to talk to anyone, to hear their stories, and to get others to open up about their experiences, a talent that they've now turned to their chosen profession. The citation winner said something incredibly insightful to me when they were being interviewed. College is short, a microwave, so you need to take advantage of everything because it's going to go by so quickly. I told the student I was going to borrow that analogy because it so perfectly and profoundly speaks to the years that students spend in higher education. This student has certainly taken advantage of their years with us, making the most of their short time on campus. From receiving multiple awards to undertaking mentoring, from bravely sharing their story to living their authentic life, from finding an academic home here to fundraising for the Willow Center for Domestic Violence, Shay Gauthier has made a difference to her community. Please join me in congratulating her for receiving the 2021 President's Citation Award.